In this video I will show you how to buy crypto in Israel in a simple and secure way. This tutorial is specifically tailored for Israel because it will work regardless of the payment method and regardless of the bank account you may have in Israel. So this is really perfect for you. Don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe, and here we go. So to be able to buy cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, you will have to go through an application. So I tested dozens of them, and honestly the best of all that I can only recommend to you is the Swissborg. It is a mobile crypto application that you can download on your cell phone and that allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies in a very simple and above all very intuitive way. It is one of the platforms that offers the best fees on the market and also has a very high level of security. For me, it's really the #1 crypto app that I use to make all my crypto investments. This is also the application that I recommended to my family and friends. You will find the link to download the Swissborg application directly in the description below this video or in the comments. You just have to click on the link. You will be automatically redirected to download the application either on the Apple Store if you are on iPhone or on the Google Play Store if you are on Android. And what's more, by going through this link, you will be able to unlock a lottery scratch ticket on the Swissborg application, which will allow you to win up to $100 in cryptos. You will unlock this bonus automatically if you go through the link or by directly entering the code GUMY5 when registering on Swissborg. So once you have downloaded the app, you just have to click open like this. Registering on Swissborg takes a few minutes. You simply need to enter your basic information to validate your account. Once your account is validated, you will land on the Swissborg homepage like this. So you see the application really has a very simple and very clean design. So then the first step will be to find your Swissborg account. So to do this, just click on the plus at the top right in green like this. We will deposit money to make our first purchases with crypto on the app. So you can do it through different ways. You can either do a free bank transfer. It will take 1 to 3 business days if you ever choose this option. Otherwise, if you want to fund your account instantly, you can do so via credit or debit card or with Apple Pay, Google Pay. Simply click on the option you want, indicate the currency in which you wish to make your payment, and then indicate the amount. You put next, and then you just have to validate the transaction. Once this is done, you will have your funds directly credited to your Swissborg account, and we will therefore be able to buy our cryptos. To do this, it's very simple. On the home page, at the bottom left, you have the option to buy cryptos which are displayed in green. You just have to click on it. Then you will be able to see all the cryptos that are available for purchase on Swissborg. There are really quite a few. We're going to click on Bitcoin. Then we will click on buy in green at the bottom. Then we will choose the currency with which we want to buy our cryptos, so you really have all the main currencies that are available, and you can click on add a currency to add that of your country. Then you just have to add the amount you want to convert into Bitcoin, like this. You have the summary of the transaction, knowing that Swissborg is one of the platforms with the lowest fees, and above all, it will guarantee you an excellent exchange rate, in the sense that you will obtain the most cryptos with each transaction. So that's really one of their big assets, so you just have to click on confirm like this to validate the transaction, and you will see in just a few seconds we will be able to buy our Bitcoins. So here the Bitcoins have been bought, so we can now see the amount we hold in our wallet on Swissborg. Then after, if you want, you can even set up automatic auto invest to invest, for example, every week or every month, a certain amount of money in Bitcoin, etc. It's very simple to set up, and then there you have bought cryptos. It's really very simple. And then to sell, it's exactly the same thing, but it's the reverse process, and you will therefore be able to have fun having all the other options that Swissborg offers you to invest in cryptocurrencies in a really simple and secure way. Don't hesitate if you have any comments. It was Gummy. Ciao.